Alrighty, now you watched the unboxing. Let me show you the bike. You'll see it's not as stock as you saw in the video because I've already done a lot of modifications on it. So it's pretty much back to where my previous bike was. Now, I sold my last R1 in the hope that I'll get either ZX-10R or S1000RR. I tried both the bikes. They run pretty good. They're amazing bikes, but I don't like them. Why? I'm just biased towards Yamaha, and I love Yamahas. So I ended up getting another one because I missed my old one so much. I don't care about the extra tech, heated grips, cruise control. I don't care about any of those. I don't care if it's extra HP. I love R1, so I got another one. This one is pretty much brand new. Ran about, I think, 230 kilometers so far. So let's see. So about 251 kilometers. But yeah, I've been riding around trying to break it in normally as I could. But yeah, I love this bike, man. No complaints getting another R1. So anyways, modification wise, I've done a little bit of difference, not too much. The big difference is instead of going with Puig, I went with zero gravity windscreen, and the levers I kept black this time instead of having a red accent that I had before in my last R1. Evotech levers again. Everything is same. I got the belly pan. Other big changes, instead of going with spark exhaust, I went with SCGP70R. This thing is hella loud, man. It's way too loud. I don't know if I'll keep it. I might run it for a while and then sell it and then go back to spark. This is actually sounds really good, but way too loud than my taste. So we'll see. I might get a DB killer for it. Anyways, what else? Yeah, the bike is pretty much back to where it was. I don't have Rizoma mirrors with me. I'm gonna keep stock. I like them. I can hook up like 360 camera or something on here, like a GoPro or something, you know. So I'll probably keep stock for now. The Zomas are way too expensive. I just can't justify spending that much. Gonna keep the stock badge for now. I already ordered my new badges. It was like more like carbon and neutral gray colors. So it kind of blends with the bike. So I'll probably do that. So difference wise between 2021, which was my previous R1, and this 2023 model is that they have flipped the color scheme. So gloss is now matte and matte is now gloss. You know what I mean? So this was gloss in the last one, but now it's matte here. This whole front was matte, but now it's gloss, which I hate because gloss takes so many scratches and it's so easy to scratch a gloss. You can already see I've already got something here. You see like a tiny gash, but yeah, there's not much you can do. So I'm planning to do a custom paint job on this bike. Gonna be completely white and black paint scheme. So I'm not gonna paint my existing fairings. I'll buy a new set of fairings and do a custom paint on it. Anyways, I just wanted to give you a quick update, and I'll also show you the clip of the Yamaha world where I purchased the bike and what kind of stock they keep. And I'll show you a quick turn around. Oh, see, you can't beat R1s, man. They just look so damn good. Anyways, let's check out Yamaha world.